How to show products from shield categories if the current category is empty, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it. First open your browser and then go to Bigcommerce, and once you're here, all you need to do just click settings, and now scroll down until you find display, and here we'll find your store settings, display settings, and scroll down, and here we'll find category settings. Now go to this one here, show products from shield categories if the current category is empty. Now click on it and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.